Welcome back to another video, guys, with myself, Max, the operations manager here at the Property Circle.
And me, Serena, the newest team member. Now, if you follow us on Instagram, you'll know that Steve, Isabella and Leon have recently bought this 15-bed property. Let's go check it out.
Welcome on in then, guys. This is the ground floor. So, as we move into the first reception room then, guys, you can see it is absolutely massive. The guys have actually had this property since December and they haven't done anything with it until now. I'll let you know why later. On the ground floor alone, there's actually 12 rooms, so I'm not going to bore you by going through every single one of them, but instead, Duna, do your thing, will you? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we are in the kitchen, guys. Imagine how many kitchens you're going to need for a house this big. Well, now that it's in the ground floor,
welcome to the first floor. So you've just seen this floor. Now yesterday when me and the guys sat down to have a team meeting, they said this property has a lot of potential and we've just shown you firsthand. Some of the possibilities are self-contained units, a HMO or a care home. So in this area next door we have a bed and breakfast, on this side a dance school and just 2 doors away a university, so student accommodation could be top of the list. Max?
welcome to the second floor. So guys, you've seen the ground floor where there was 12 rooms. You've seen the first floor with Serena where there were 9 rooms. You've just seen the second floor with the 5 extra rooms, giving us a grand total of 26 rooms in this house. I'm now out of breath from talking so much and saying how many rooms are in this house. Duna.
And this is the garden. Now there is a lot of space out here, although the garden definitely needs some tidying up. As you can see, there is also room for an extension for a house that definitely doesn't need any extending.
So to give you a quick story on how the guys actually bought this property, Steve received a phone call on a Sunday morning saying that he can purchase this property, but he has to make a decision right now. So they agreed a price of £143,000 over the phone, but the vendor was insisting on a 21-day completion. Now you guys don't know Steve just yet, but if you do, you know that 21 days is nothing. So the reason why we haven't actually been able to get around to renovating this property until now is because of how much we've had going on behind the scenes, including the Property Circle programs, other renovations that the guys have got going on. I mean, the list is endless, but I cannot wait to see what the final product is going to be on this property. And more importantly, I can't wait to hear what the valuation officer says. So to give you an idea of comparable properties on this street, there was a 4-bed house down the road that sold 4 months ago for £250,000. Now a 6-bed house has just come on the market for £295,000. So you've just seen this house. Let us know in the comments down below what you think the valuation will be. Serena, where is she, man? Serena, 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 Serena. This house is way too big, mate. I've actually lost Serena, but anyways, if you've enjoyed the video, guys, hit the like button, comment and subscribe. But more importantly, if you're looking to get started in property, definitely hit the link in the description below to join the Property Circle. I've got to go and try and find Serena now, so I'll see you in the next video. Serena. I'm absolutely knackered and out of breath. There's 26 rooms. Oh, shit, the bed has to close.